If you're a parent, and honestly, just about everybody these days needs some meal hacks. These options are going to be ones that are easy to feed your kids, but you can still incorporate healthy ingredients into. This is one of my favorites, and don't get overwhelmed by all the ingredients on here. You really don't have to have all of these. These are just some options. And this is a great printout to have for a last minute bootable. But for example, you would use some ingredients that are quicker, such as if you've got, so here we go, pick a base. I always like to do salad greens, so if you have any kind of salad greens or fresh spinach, you can put that on the bottom. Roasted sweet potatoes you can get frozen in a steam bag, so you can do that. I know that you can get some brown rice and quinoa in a faster cooking method. I've seen them pre-made in a bag, and I've seen the what is the minute brown rice that's in a bag that you put into that you cook. But there's definitely faster options. A quick protein would be beans, the canned chicken, not my favorite, but still an option. Let's see, chickpeas, obviously, those are beans. You know, if you got any nice deli turkey or ham, you can throw that in there as well. Adding veggies, so if you've got anything fresh and you have time to cut it up, that's always ideal. But you can also buy frozen green beans or peppers, broccoli, any of those things that are on that list there, and you can make those as well to throw in the bowl. Fruits are optional. They don't always work with whatever your given concoction is. And then my favorite topping, and it'll kind of depend on what theme you're going with, is a nice hummus. But if you're doing more of like a Mexican concoction, you can do guacamole. There's a lot of options here you can see, or just fresh lemon. Nuts, seeds, those are some healthy fats that you can add.
And there you have it, a quick, easy, healthy meal for your family that is suitable for last minute.